Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. It is two-step equation word problems. Don't we love word problems? Actually, here, I don't think they're that bad. All right, the perimeter of a rectangle is 34 units. So I want you to just think about what a rectangle is, guys. So let me just draw a little rectangle. Here's a rectangle, right? So if the perimeter, which means the distance all the way around, is 34 units, and we know that the width of this is 6.5, well, if the width of this side is 6.5, then we also know the width of the other side is 6.5. And then it says that it's got a length of L, so L over here and L over here. So it should make sense that our equation for this is simply L plus 6.5 plus 6.5 equals a total perimeter of 34. Then, it says down here, find the length of the rectangle. So we got to find what L equals. So if I simply take this equation here, let me move this little thing over. Slide over, please. Thank you. All right. We got two x's. Actually, we don't have two x's. We have two L's. But the thing is, L doesn't work. It looks like a 1. So I'm using x instead. So 2x plus 13, which is 6.5 plus 6.5, equals 34. We then subtract 13 from both sides, because whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. We get 2x equals 21. We then divide by 2 to get the x by itself, and whatever you do to one side, do to the other. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So 10.5 is our distance, which makes sense. 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21. 21 plus, we already said that, equals 13. 21 plus 13 is 34. Perfect, equals. Let's try another one. Oh, perfect. Nope, nope, nope. We got to see the magic here. I don't know what happened there. We got to see the magic. All right, let's try it up there. There we go. Now it looks good. Now I'm not showing you the answer. All right, at the beginning of the season, McDonald had to remove 5 orange trees from his farm. Each of the remaining trees produced 210 oranges for a total harvest of 41,790. Write an equation to determine the initial amount of trees he had before he lost 5 of them. So, the equation on that, we know that each tree produced 210 oranges. He started with T trees, but he lost 5 of them. So we put that in parentheses on there. So we're trying to figure out how many he started with. So when we do this, I'm going to go ahead and start distributing this right away. And that's over here somewhere. So 210 times t is 210t. 210 times negative 5 is negative 1,050. Still equals the 41,790. How do you cancel out a negative 1,050? You add 1,050. But whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side, which leaves us 210t equals 42,840. We then divide by the 210, and we get t equals 204. So there was 204 orange trees in the very beginning before we lost 5 of them. So losing 5 trees is very sad. I hope they had a memorial for those 5 trees. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.